In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a yearly overview in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from a blank workbook and open a ready-made yearly overview that you can use to plan budgets, projects, goals, or events across all 12 months. We'll use Excel's built-in templates so you get a clean, professional layout in seconds without building it from scratch. Begin in Excel and head to the File menu. This takes you to the area where you create, open, and manage documents, and it's also where Excel keeps its full library of templates. If you're already in a workbook, don't worry. Going to File won't lose your work. It simply opens a separate panel with options. Think of it as your launch pad for everything new. Next, choose More Templates. You may see a handful of featured options on the home screen, but More Templates opens the complete gallery. This is important because many specialized designs, like yearly overviews, live in the broader library and may not appear on the front page. Give it a second to load so Excel can pull in the latest options. Now, in the template search box, type Overview. Using that keyword helps surface yearly overview formats alongside related planners, calendars, and tracking sheets. If you're aiming specifically for a full year plan, you'll typically find templates designed with months laid out clearly, space for notes or categories, and sometimes color-coded sections. Take a moment to browse the results so you can pick a design that matches your use case, whether that's financial tracking, project milestones, or a personal plan. When you see a template you like, select it and click Create. You'll get a preview first, which is helpful to confirm the layout, the level of detail, and whether the style feels right. After you click Create, Excel opens a fresh copy of that template ready for you to personalize. You can usually adjust the year at the top, rename headings to match your categories, and type directly into the cells. If the template includes summary formulas or charts, they'll update automatically as you add data, which saves time and reduces errors. A quick tip here. Glance at any instructions included on the first sheet or in the header area. Many templates come with brief notes on how they're intended to be used. That's it. You've used Excel's template library to set up a yearly overview quickly and confidently. With the structure in place, you can focus on planning the year rather than building the framework.